So good afternoon to everybody, Nana. So yesterday we have listened about the echinodermata, and today we are going to discuss about hemichordata, Nana, which is one of the important chapter it is. So what is this important chapter and what are the important points regarding this? Hemichordata. The word itself mentioning hemi means half. They have the half chordate characters and the half non-chordate characters, which are simply called half chordates and half non-chordate characters, which are seen in these hemichordates. And these are the hemichordates. Everybody knows this. These are all are marine. These are exclusively present in the sea water. And this is the hemichordates, which are said to be triploblastic animals. All hemichordates are triploblastic animals, and they are showing bilateral symmetry. What is the type of symmetry seen in these hemichordates, Nana? Bilateral symmetry. I think everybody knows that as triploblastic animals, bilateral symmetry showing animals are said to be having organ system grade organization. Most of the triploblastic animals showing organ system grade organization. The body functions are performed by organ systems. So we are clearly saying that these all are marine triploblastic animals showing bilateral symmetry with organ system grade organization. And these are called as half chordates, not the fully chordates. They are half chordates, having half of the chordate characters and half of the non-chordate characters. And these hemichordata is considered as connecting link between, it is the connecting link between chordata and non-chordata. What is the connecting link between chordates and non-chordates, Nana? The connecting link between chordata and non-chordata is hemichordata. That's one of the important points, Nana. Remember that, as this was very much important. And this is the hemichordata in which the body is divisible into three parts. Anterior proboscis. What is the anterior part, Nana? Proboscis. Like that of elephant, it is also having the proboscis. The middle collar and the posterior trunk. So what are the three parts, Nana? Proboscis, collar and trunk. Very most important points this is. And the division of body into proboscis, collar, trunk is the unique feature of hemichordates. One of the important feature of hemichordates. Whenever we observe the collar contain, whenever we observe the collar, this is the collar region which contain stomochord. The collar contains stomochord. What is stomochord? This is the stomochord, which is similar to that of notochord. Similar to notochord. So you are clearly saying it is similar to notochord, but it is structurally similar to notochord, but not functionally similar. Stomochord is otherwise called as buccal diverticulum. What is the other name for this stomochord, Nana? Buccal diverticulum. Stomochord is otherwise called buccal diverticulum. One of the important point it is, Nana. One of the important point it is. One of the important point it is, Nana. So you are clearly saying that. You are clearly saying that stomochord all are marine. You are clearly saying that all are marine. These are triploblastic animals showing bilateral symmetry, having organ system grade organization. Hemichordates are called half chordates, and this is connecting link between chordata and non-chordata. The body is divisible into anterior proboscis, middle collar, trunk. Whereas collar contains stomochord, which is structurally similar to that of notochord. And it is also, stomochord is also called buccal diverticulum. Right. Respiration or digestive system. It is clear the digestive system is said to be complete. In these animals, the digestive system is complete with anterior mouth and posterior anus. Okay. And what about the respiratory organs? The respiratory organs in these, this includes the respiratory organs. What are the respiratory organs present in these? The respiratory organs include under this are nothing but gills. And what about the excretory organ? Whenever we observe the excretory organ, this is having a specialized gland at the proboscis, and that excretory, the specialized excretory organ which is present here is proboscis gland. So the excretory organ of hemichordates is proboscis gland. One of the important it is the excretory organs is proboscis gland, respiratory organs are gills, and whereas the digestive system is complete with mouth and anus. And what about we talked about the excretory organs. Later we are talking about the heart. Heart is said to be dorsal in position. Heart is dorsal in position. Okay. And what about the sexes? The sexes are separate, almost echinoderms, and you talked about the molluscans, and you talked about the echinodermates, where the sexes are separate, male is separated from female, then it is called dioecious. And what about the fertilization? The fertilization is said to be external. Fertilization is said to be external. And what about the development? I think everybody knows this. Almost all invertebrates development is said to be indirect, with a specialized larva. What is the larva name, sir? Tornaria larva. Development is indirect with a Tornaria larva. This is one of the important nana. So we are clearing saying that development is indirect with the Tornaria larva and fertilization is external. Sexes are said to be separate and heart is said to be dorsal in position. Excretory organs are proboscis gland. Respiratory organs are gills. Digestive system is complete with mouth and anus. These are the important characters. Do you know one thing? We can call these as, these are worm-like marine animals. WO, marine worm-like organisms. These are worm-like marine organisms. And what are the examples related to this? The examples related to this are balanoglosses, and sacoglosses, and one of the most important example, Trichodera, sacoglosses, balanoglosses are the three examples related to this. So in this, they are mostly covering this area. The body is divisible into proboscis, collar and trunk. And they are asking this bit, what is the connecting link between chordates and non-chordates? That's one of the important. They are asking the body of hemichordates at the collar region contains stomochord, which is structurally similar to notochord. And they are asking excretory organ, mostly one of the important. These are the important bits: excretory organs, body, collar. These three bits mostly they are asking regarding the examination point of view. So dear students, you remember these three bits regarding this, and you just give reading once or twice or thrice. Yes, it is enough. But mostly, if there is chances of asking the questions from hemichordata, without any doubt you have to say this: body, collar region, excretory organs. This is the three questions which in previously asked, and there are any chance if there is any chance in asking the questions related to this, surely they ask the questions from these three important points. So you read this carefully, and wherever we put 4M like this, then you have to read those important lines regarding for the NEET examination. So getting full marks from the animal kingdom point of view is very easy. So please follow whatever the points that I stressed, and whatever the things what I am saying related to here, and surely will get 3 bits will come from the chapter and 3 bits you will write the correct answers, Nana. Okay, right. Okay, and in the next class, let us discuss about chord data introduction, Nana.